Babe, is it midnight?
Yes.
Oh, hell yeah, I'm opening my presents. Oh. Damn, which ones are mine? Oh, snap. She didn't wrap them. Oh. Heck yeah, cover that. Heck yeah, what could it be? Epic. Some titanium stuff. I think there's another one. We'll open it. And she didn't wrap this one either. Okay. Babe, wrap this stuff next time.
No.
Yo, chasing J's for days. Yo. Chasing J's dipstick. How to safely grab this. And valve cover heat shield. Yo. Hey, thanks, babe. Let's go throw this stuff on. Merry Christmas, by the way. Let's get it. Ugh. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is John, or Ube, whichever you guys want to call me. But today we are going to be working on the Evo. We got more JDM stuff. Well, not really JDM stuff, but we got some more titanium stuff from the one and only Chasing J's. Not sponsored, I wish I was. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do the last two pieces that I wanted to do of Chasing J's on the Evo today. So that's enough talking. Subscribe if you guys haven't, and let's get to today's install. Oh, but first we gotta move the cars. Let's get it. Here they are. We're gonna go put the dipstick on and the manifold, or I don't even know what that thing's called, but it is definitely what I've been waiting for. It's one of the only things missing on the bay for the Evo other than hardware, bolts and whatnot. So we're going to go ahead and install that tonight. It is Christmas night. Hopefully you guys are having a great one. Hopefully you guys have a great Christmas and happy holidays, really. Thanks for checking out the video during the holidays. I really appreciate it. Let me go throw you guys onto the tripod and let's get to installing this stuff. All right, dipstick first. This stuff is so nice. I don't know why anybody goes with anybody but Chasing J's. All right, let's pull this thing out of here. It's all dirty. I don't feel like wiping it right now. And replace it with this bad boy. Wow. Look at that. Nice fit. Boom. Titanium, titanium, tie, tie, tie. And then we need to add one more right here. I also want to do the valve cover. Not sure what color I want to do it, but yeah. Let's go do this other piece. The hardware comes in the bag, and it actually comes with titanium hardware. That's awesome. Didn't see any instructions though, so let's try to figure out how this works. So this definitely goes right here. Okay, so there's two holes, so you just replace these two. Well, you don't replace them, you just add them to those bolts. Easy enough. So I think that's definitely a 10. Carbon crate for the win. Be sure you guys have really clean hands when you do this as well, so you don't jack up the titanium, or you can always clean it off after. Wipe the fingers, wipe the surface. So the brackets look like this. All the chasing J's is done by hand as well. Cool. Careful, you definitely don't want to drop this stuff. Skinny fingers, highly recommended for this install because I'm having the hardest time possible. Luckily, I have mechanical fingers, so let's see if this works. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this like this. Try to line it up to where it belongs and screw it in. Fingers crossed. All right, I think we got it. I feel like this is the hardest install. That shouldn't be hard. All right, then you're gonna tilt this forward. Then I got the ugly side. Okay, we're doing half. Boom, and there we go. I guess that's it. Wow, that was really hard. So, all you need is an 11 with an extension. You need to use a 5mm hex for the hardware supplied, and also a 10mm to loosen up the valve cover bolts to mount up the mounting bolts for the block. But, yo, that's it. Let's go check it out. Hey, how was that edit? All right, I'm closing out the video in the creator room because I forgot to zoom out at the end of today's video. Welcome, this is where I'm gonna be editing all the content for you guys, and I just hope you guys enjoy it. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. If you guys liked it, hit that like button, I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe and hit that notification bell if you guys want to be updated whenever I upload a new video. But until next time, hope you guys are having a great one. Let me know what you guys got for Christmas down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.